Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find out exactly why your PC can't support Windows 11. Recently around 8:30 am IST, Microsoft has updated its PC Health Check app, which will now tell you why your PC can't run Windows 11. So to check out, head over to your browser, search for Windows 11, click the first Microsoft link, and at the bottom you can see the link to download that app. You can click here to download it. I will put the link in description. So download and install the app, launch, and click here check now. Now it will show you the exact problem why your PC can't run Windows 11. In my case, my processor is not supported for Windows 11. If it was TPM or UEFI software based problem, I could have fixed that, but it was hardware based. Unfortunately, I will not be able to fix my problem, and there's an alternative to it. So again, head to the browser, search for why not Win 11, and click the first GitHub link. I will put the link in description, and scroll down, you will see the download option. Just download it, and you don't need to install it. Just download the app, open the location where you have downloaded it, and run the app. It will check all the requirements. So you can see now everything is compatible except the CPU. I have to buy a new one. So that's it. Thank you.